Good morning, students. Let's start with the new chapter, chapter 2, factors and multiples. So, what is a factor? A factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. And what is a multiple? A number is said to be a multiple of any of its factor. For example, since 3 divides 15 exactly, 3 is a factor of 15 and 15 is a multiple of 3. So understand it once again. What is factor? Factor of a number is dividing any other number exactly without leaving any remainder. Here you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. They are dividing 12 exactly. So all these numbers are the factors of 12. We write it usually as the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. One thing which you have to remember is to write easily the factors. You have to learn all the multiplications table very properly. Okay. And again, what is a multiple? The multiple of a number is obtained by multiplying it with another number. For example, 12 into 1 is 12, 12 2, 24, 12 3, 36, 12 4, 48. So all the first four multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36 and 48. Is it clear? Now, properties of factor. 1 is a factor of every number and every number is a factor of itself. What it means? It means that every number has at least two factors, the number itself and 1. Only 1 is such a number which has only one factor, that is 1 itself. Okay. The third point is every factor is less than or equal to the given number and there are finite number of factors. Okay. Now let's see the properties of multiples. There can be infinite number of multiples. That means we don't know the greatest multiple. Okay. And smallest multiple is the number itself. For example, the smallest multiple of 6 is 6. And multiples are always greater than or equal to the number. For example, 6, 12, 18, 24, etc. are all greater than or equal to the number 6. Next, we have various types of numbers. Even numbers. All the multiples of 2 are called even numbers. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, etc. are all even numbers. Or you can understand it in this way also, that if we have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, this 5 digit in the ones place, they are all even numbers. What are odd numbers? Numbers which are not multiples of 2 or which cannot be divided by 2 are called odd numbers. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, etc. are all odd numbers. Next is prime number. What are prime number? Each of the numbers which have exactly two factors, namely 1 and itself, is called a prime number. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, all these are prime numbers. Composite number. What are composite numbers? Numbers which has more than two factors are called composite numbers. For example, each of the numbers 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, etc. is a composite numbers. Important facts: 1 is neither prime nor composite, 2 is the lowest prime number and also an even prime number. All other prime numbers are odd and all other even numbers are composite. Clear? Now we will learn a way to find out the prime numbers between 1 and 100. So there was a Greek mathematician named Eratosthenes who lived in the 3rd century BC. He discovered a method of finding prime numbers by shifting away all the numbers that are not prime. And this method is called sieve of Eratosthenes. Okay, how we are finding it? First, we are removing 1 because it is a unique number. It is neither prime nor composite. Then see that all the numbers that are divided by 2 are marked in green, all the numbers that are divided by 3 are marked in blue, all the numbers that are divided by 5 are marked in orange, and all the numbers that are divided by 7 are marked in purple. So the number which are in white, they are the prime numbers between 1 and 100. Is it clear to everyone? Thus, all the prime numbers from 1 to 100 are given below. They are starting from 2 ending at 97, and we have total 25 prime numbers between 1 and 100. Come to the next topic, twin primes. What are twin primes? Two consecutive odd prime numbers are called twin primes. They have only one composite number between them. For example, 3 and 5 both are prime numbers, and there is a 4 which is a composite number in between them. What are prime triplets? A set of 3 consecutive prime numbers differing by 2 is called a prime triplet. We have only one prime triplet, that is 3, 5 and 7. Next is co-prime number. What are co-prime number? Two numbers are said to be co-prime if they do not have a common factor other than 1. For example, 2 and 3, they have only 1 as a common factor. 3 and 4, they have only 1 as a common factor. So a very important point which we have to remember is that two prime numbers are always co-prime, but two co-prime number need not be prime numbers. For example, 6 and 7 are co-prime, but 6 is not a prime number. 9 and 10 are co-prime, while neither 9 nor 10 are prime number. They are what? They are composite number. The next is perfect number. What is perfect number? If sum of all the factors of a number is 2 times the number, then the number is called a perfect number. For example, 6 is a perfect number since the factor of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6, and 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 is equal to 12, which is twice the number. Okay, and again 28. 28 is also a perfect number because the sum 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 14 plus 28 is equal to 2 into 28, right? So go through the concepts covered in this chapter. Learn them, understand them, and if you have any difficulty, you will be asking me. And you have to solve exercise 2A. I will be doing some sums for you. Okay, thank you.